In this video, I'll show you how to convert BTC to USDT on Binance. First, open the Binance app on your phone or go to the Binance website and log into your account. Make sure you are using the official Binance platform because you will be converting real crypto funds. Once you are logged in, go to Wallets and open your spot wallet. Search for BTC, which is the symbol for Bitcoin, and check that the Bitcoin you want to convert is available in your spot balance. Now go back to the home screen and tap Convert. On some versions of Binance, you may find this option under Trade, Buy Crypto, or More. Convert is usually the easiest method because it lets you swap one crypto for another without using the full trading chart. On the Convert screen, choose BTC in the field that says From. This means Bitcoin is the asset you want to convert. Then choose USDT in the field that says To. USDT is a stablecoin that is commonly used on Binance for trading and holding value in dollars. Next, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to convert. You can type a specific amount or tap max if you want to convert all available BTC in your spot wallet. After entering the amount, Binance will show an estimated amount of USDT you will receive. Review the conversion rate carefully, because crypto prices can change quickly. Binance may also show a countdown timer, meaning the quote is only valid for a short time. If everything looks correct, tap Preview Conversion or Convert. Review the final details one more time, including the BTC amount, the USDT amount, and the exchange rate. Then tap Confirm before the quote expires. Once confirmed, Binance will process the conversion, and the USDT should appear in your spot wallet shortly after. To check your balance, go to Wallets, open Spot Wallet, and search for USDT. You should see your converted USDT there. You can also convert BTC to USDT through spot trading by opening trade, selecting the BTC/USDT pair, and placing a sell order. But for most beginners, the convert feature is simpler and faster, and that's how you convert BTC to USDT on Binance. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.